back to the table where everybody eat. Y'all know what to do, man. If you already been rocking with us, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you don't miss out on the plays and updates we bring to you guys each and every day in the market. Now, last week we had this banger on our hands. Well, honestly, over in the Discord, link will be below in the description and pinned in the top of the chat. We alerted them over in Stock Alert, which yesterday's Stock Alert had me highly upset as we were anticipating making a move on ticker symbol SNGX, laid out the levels to look for, laid out how we was going to play this thing. Me, I got fearful. Maybe I oversized too much because I got stopped out, I believe, around $3.71, knowing that we were holding this thing due to the volatility to at least a stop of $3.22. And as you see, this stock went higher at $6.23 in yesterday's session, and the low of the day was $3.57. So right there on the money. I mean, not even on the money, just a little bit below my stop loss and way above the stop loss we already had in. If we were to go back to July 25th in the pre-market, I had alerted them about this stock when it was trading at, I think, $2.90. Yeah, around $2.90 on July 25th. And then the day, I mean, literally the day that we got that pop, and before that massive pop or massive run to I think about $19, I alerted them again on August 12th at 3:34 a.m. before pre-market even opened and said that ATNF, a frequent stock alert, as the premium folks at the table had ample time to accumulate from $2.60 to $3.60. We had a major after hour pop and could double, triple, quadruple from here. We definitely quadrupled because as you see, we were trading around $5.17, and this thing went, like I say, as high as I believe like $19, almost $20. So we was just a tad bit shy of quadrupling our money on ticker symbol ATNF. So again, link is below in the description and pinned in the top of the chat for the Discord community. Now, back to ATNF, or now known as ticker symbol ETHZ, who I made you guys aware in the last video. They had made a major purchase in Ethereum. I think it was around like $350 million Ethereum or 350 Ethereum. Either way, they had a major, major, major buy into Ethereum, which caused this stock to shoot up. And now they're returning by changing the ticker name from ATNF to ETHZ, which brings me to the 4-hour chart on Webull, which I could have went to the daily. However, with the lack of volume after that massive move, I figured we'd just start off on the 4 hours so we can see price action and see the moving averages of what I have going on. And right now, I continue to see us fail to reclaim, I mean, and actually mount the 9 moving average on that 4-hour chart, telling me if we do not reclaim that area and if the MACD does not start to at least approach that signal line, we could for surely be coming to test that $4.87 area. And if anything happens, or if we fall below, I'm gonna say maybe 455, 460. I am cautious on this stock as we could easily, easily, easily go back to that tight range, that tight area of consolidation in between that 290 and $3.60 area. But slowing down on a 4-hour time frame, I also see this 21 MA curling down. So even if we mount above the 9 MA, we will or possibly have a heavy supply around this $8.48, let's just say $8.50 zone, which also is this wick top, I believe, right here at about $8.75. Which brings me to the hourly chart. And on the hourly chart, I'm still seeing weakness again as well. We got this 597 that we could potentially try to hold right here, but that 200 MA is sitting at that $5.59 with the 21 below the 9, and both of them curling. The 72 MA is also curling. The MACD is crossing below the signal line. We are fairly, like barely in positive territory on the MACD. So I'm still cautious and not too concerned with trying to get or be the first one in this move because this stock has potential to pull back, especially if Ethereum or if crypto continues to pull back or sell off. This is kind of equivalent to whenever Bitcoin pulls back, Coinbase may pull back, especially MicroStrategy pulls back, and any fintech as well. So this one here, when crypto is weak, and also when Ethereum pulls back, because crypto could be strong, and Ethereum pulls back, it may affect how ticker symbol ETHZ moves in the future. going down to the 30-minute, which I'm really not too concerned with that because I see weakness along. I see weakness across the board. Yeah, the 30-minute is just ugly. We below the 200, below the 9, below the 21, and below the 72 with the 9 moving average base. It didn't even get a chance to test the 200 before it already curled down. It fell below there. It's falling below the 21. And with price action below all these levels, yeah, I'm definitely waiting myself for ETHZ. Keep in mind, it's very volatile. It could pop with any type of crypto news, any type of overall market relief based off the NQ and the ES. But that's what I have for you guys on ticker symbol ETHZ, ETHZilla Corporation. Much love. We out.